If you're over 60 and walking feels harder than it used to, your knees ache, your hips feel stiff, or you simply don't have the energy to go outside every day, listen closely. What if I told you there's one simple chair exercise you can do right at home, no gym, no equipment, that can strengthen your legs, protect your joints, and even help your heart, sometimes better than walking? And here's the surprising part. Many surgeons and physical therapists recommend it for their own patients after surgery. So if walking feels difficult, unsafe, or just exhausting, this might be exactly what your body needs. Let's talk about it. Getting older doesn't mean slowing down, but it does mean being smarter about how we move. A lot of people think walking is the only safe exercise after 60. And sure, walking is great, but it's not perfect for everyone. Sidewalks can be uneven, weather can be bad, balance can feel shaky, and let's be honest, some days you just don't feel like going outside. That's where this simple chair movement comes in. It's gentle, it's safe, and it builds real strength, the kind that helps you get up from the couch, climb stairs, carry groceries, and stay independent. The exercise is called the chair sit-to-stand. Sounds simple, right? But don't let that fool you. This small movement can completely change how your body feels. Today, we're going to walk through why it works, how to do it safely, and how it can improve your life in ways most people don't expect. So grab a sturdy chair and let's take this step by step. Let's start with something most people don't realize. As we age, we don't lose strength because we're old. We lose strength because we stop using certain muscles. And the biggest muscles we stop using? Our legs and hips. The sit-to-stand exercise targets exactly those muscles. Every time you stand up from a chair, you're working your thighs, your glutes, your core, and even your lower back. These are the muscles that keep you upright and stable. Think about your day. How many times do you stand up from a chair, from the toilet, from the car? That's real-life strength, not gym strength, and this movement trains exactly that. One woman I once heard about, Mary, 72, stopped walking outside after she slipped one winter. She felt scared. Her legs got weaker. Stairs became difficult. Her therapist told her to practice standing up from her chair 10 times, 3 times a day. Nothing fancy. Within a few weeks, she noticed something simple but powerful. She didn't need to push off the table anymore to stand. Her legs just worked. That's the first benefit. It builds everyday strength that keeps you independent. Now, here's something else people overlook. Walking is mostly forward motion. It's steady and repetitive, but it doesn't always build muscle very well. Standing up from a chair, that's resistance training. You're lifting your body weight. That's like doing a mini squat.
And resistance training is what protects your bones. After 60, bone density naturally decreases. That's why falls become dangerous. But when you gently load your bones, like when you stand up, your body gets a signal to stay stronger. So this one small exercise can actually help protect against fractures. Pretty amazing for something you can do while watching TV. Now let's talk about your heart. A lot of people assume you need long walks to improve heart health. But here's the thing. Repeated sit-to-stands raise your heart rate too. Try standing up and sitting down 15 times in a row, slowly and safely. You'll feel your breathing change. That's your heart working. And for many seniors, this is safer than walking outside, especially if balance isn't perfect. You're stable, you're supported, you're at home. No curbs, no traffic, no slippery sidewalks. It's controlled movement, which means lower risk. And when exercise feels safe, you're more likely to stick with it. Consistency beats intensity every time. Now let's slow down and talk about how to actually do it. This part matters. Sit in a sturdy chair, not something soft or rolling. Place your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Lean slightly forward. Use your legs to stand up. Try not to push with your hands if you can help it. Then slowly sit back down with control. That's one repetition. Nice and easy, no rushing. If it feels hard at first, that's normal. Start with 5,
Tomorrow, maybe 6. Next week, maybe 10. Your body adapts faster than you think. Here's something I really want you to remember. Slow is better than fast. When you move slowly, your muscles work harder and your joints stay safer. This isn't a race, it's about control. Now, let's talk about balance, because balance is what keeps you independent. Every time you stand and sit, your brain is practicing balance. Your body is learning where it is in space. This is called coordination, and it quietly fades if we don't use it. That's why some people feel unsteady after sitting too long. But doing this exercise daily wakes those systems up. It's like telling your brain, hey, we still need this skill. One retired teacher I spoke with said she started doing chair stands during commercial breaks, just 2 minutes at a time. After a month, she realized she wasn't grabbing the railing as tightly on the stairs. That's real progress.
Small changes add up. Now here's another benefit most people never hear about. Mood. Movement improves mood. Even light strength exercises release feel-good chemicals in your brain. They reduce stress, they improve sleep, and when you feel stronger physically, you feel more confident emotionally. It's hard to explain, but it's real. There's something empowering about standing up easily. It reminds you that you're still capable, still strong, still independent, and that feeling matters a lot. Let's talk about making it part of your day, because the best exercise is the one you actually do. You don't need a schedule, just attach it to something you already do. Stand up and sit down 5 times before breakfast, 5 times after lunch, 5 times while watching evening TV. That's 15 or 20 reps without even thinking about it. No workout clothes, no driving anywhere, just life. And over time, these tiny habits quietly transform your strength. Summary and gentle motivation. So here's what we covered today. This simple chair exercise strengthens your legs, protects your bones, supports your heart, improves balance, and even boosts your mood, all from a movement you already do every day. No equipment, no pressure, just steady, gentle progress. Here's the thing. Aging isn't about avoiding movement. It's about choosing the right kind. Smart, safe, sustainable. And this one small habit might be one of the simplest ways to stay strong for years to come. Imagine standing up easily, climbing stairs without fear, getting out of the car without struggling. That freedom is worth a few minutes a day. You deserve to feel capable in your own body. If this helped you, or if you learned something new today, consider subscribing to the channel. I share simple, science-backed tips like this to help you stay strong, healthy, and confident at any age. Give this video a like so more seniors can find it, and feel free to share it with a friend or family member who could use a little extra strength. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.